I'm Caren Siebold. I'm the Chief Product Officer of the DPA. DPA is the biggest news agency in Germany. We believe that Gen AI is the biggest disruptor of the media industry, and we have to deal with it. You.com is a very trustworthy company, especially because Richard Socher is one tech person who really believes in journalism and in democracy. The implementation process with You.com was so fast. We signed one day, and the next week the team of You.com was already in Hamburg and worked with our developers. It was most amazing how they worked together. We are very happy with You.com. We have integrated You.com as a feature in our big portal DPA News, and we call it DPA Research. If you want to prepare yourself for interviews, you can use it. It's very, very helpful for journalists. Game changer. That's what they say. It's really a game changer. We are very happy to go out with the beta version in the first quarter of 25. We have already showed it to some clients and they liked it very much. And we think really that we enhance our portal and we make it so much more valuable with this kind of answering machine, as we call it. The second phase is that we enhance the product we have now even more. We also got the You.com Pro applications for all our journalists in the newsroom, and also our other departments can use it. We can be quicker, we can be more productive, and we can be faster on the wire than before. And we are talking with You.com about a cooperation, maybe to building private racks for our clients or include the content of our clients into our rack. So we might be able to have a media rack in Germany. My advice would be that you really look for a trustworthy partner. It is so important that the partner shares the same values as you do, and this is factfulness and being reliable and truthful. And in that context, you need good citations, you need good references, you must be able to really understand where the answers came from and check on them. Also very important is that the partner is willing to train you, to make you understand the full impact of the tool you have there. We had the people coming over from America to Hamburg, and our developers worked with them. We have a super close collaboration via Slack, so on an everyday basis, and this is how I wish a partner should be.